Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning your future career or thinking about switching jobs, this video is exactly what you need. Today we're diving deep into the high-demand jobs in Malaysia, the careers that are booming right now and are set to keep growing in the years ahead. Knowing which jobs are in demand can help you make smarter decisions, avoid unemployment, and find work that's both stable and rewarding. Whether you're a fresh graduate, someone looking to upskill, or even thinking of switching careers, this video will give you a clear picture of where the opportunities are, plus how you can start preparing yourself to land these jobs. Why understanding high-demand jobs matters. Let's start by understanding why this matters so much. The world of work is constantly changing, especially in a rapidly developing country like Malaysia. 5 years ago, industries like manufacturing were king, but now, with the rise of technology and digital transformation, the landscape is shifting dramatically. Imagine spending years studying or training for a job that's slowly disappearing. That's a nightmare no one wants. On the other hand, if you focus on careers where demand is growing, you not only improve your chances of employment, but also open doors to better salaries and career growth. In fact, according to the Malaysian Department of Statistics, sectors like technology and healthcare have seen growth rates well above the national average. This means jobs in these fields are not only available, but often come with competitive pay and benefits. Key industries driving job growth in Malaysia. Now let's talk about the key industries shaping Malaysia's job market today. These are the big players creating the most opportunities. Technology and IT, healthcare and medical services, digital marketing and e-commerce, engineering and infrastructure, finance and accounting. Each of these industries is expanding for unique reasons, and the variety of roles available is huge. Let's dive into each sector and break down the specific jobs that are in high demand. Technology and IT, the digital revolution. First up, technology. Malaysia is pushing hard to become a digital economy hub. This means a massive need for tech talent across the country. Let's look at some of the hottest jobs in tech. Software developers and programmers. These are the people who build the apps, websites, and software we use every day. With the rise of startups and digital transformation in big companies, programmers who know languages like Python, Java, and JavaScript are highly sought after. If you're good at problem solving and love coding, this is a goldmine career path. Data analysts and data scientists. Companies have mountains of data, but need experts to make sense of it. Data analysts help businesses understand customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiency. Data science is expected to grow by over 20% annually in Malaysia, so these roles are booming. Cybersecurity experts. As more business moves online, cyber attacks are a real threat. Malaysia's government and private sector are investing heavily in cybersecurity, creating huge demand for professionals who can protect networks and data. AI and machine learning specialists. AI might sound futuristic, but it's already being used in finance, healthcare, and even agriculture here. Malaysia has national initiatives to grow AI expertise, making this a promising field if you like working with advanced technology. Healthcare heroes in high demand. Next is healthcare. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted how critical healthcare professionals are. Even beyond the pandemic, Malaysia's aging population and healthcare reforms mean these jobs are essential. Nurses, hospitals, clinics, and care homes need skilled nurses now more than ever. Specialized nurses in areas like ICU, pediatrics, and geriatrics are especially in demand. Medical technologists and lab technicians. These professionals run tests and analyses that are critical for diagnosing and treating patients. Pharmacists and pharmaceutical technicians. Managing medications and advising patients is a crucial role, with growing opportunities in hospitals and retail pharmacies. Healthcare administrators and managers. Behind the scenes, hospitals need efficient managers to keep operations running smoothly, making this a growing field for those with healthcare and management skills. Digital marketing and e-commerce, the new marketplace. Malaysia's e-commerce market is growing at double-digit rates every year, This boom is creating huge demand for digital marketing and online business experts. Digital marketing specialists. These professionals run online ads, optimize websites for search engines, SEO, and create engaging content to attract customers. Skills in Google Ads, Facebook marketing, and content strategy are highly valuable. Social media managers and content creators. Brands need people who can manage their presence on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to reach younger consumers. E-commerce managers. Running online stores requires skills in supply chain management, customer service, and digital sales strategies. As more businesses go online, these roles are multiplying. Engineering and infrastructure. Building Malaysia's future. Engineering is a cornerstone of Malaysia's development. With ongoing infrastructure projects and industrial growth, demand remains strong. Electrical engineers, needed for power generation, telecommunications, and manufacturing sectors. Civil engineers, infrastructure projects like highways, railways, and urban development need skilled civil engineers. Mechanical engineers. Industries such as automotive, oil and gas, and manufacturing rely on mechanical engineers for design and maintenance. Finance and accounting, the numbers game. Last but not least, finance and accounting continue to be critical. Financial analysts. They help companies make investment decisions and manage risks. With Malaysia's growing financial sector, these roles are expanding. Accountants and auditors. Every business needs experts to manage their books and ensure compliance with laws. Compliance officers and risk managers. As regulations tighten, companies need professionals who can help them navigate complex financial rules. Skills and qualifications employers look for. So, what do you actually need to land these jobs? Employers in Malaysia are typically looking for relevant degrees or diplomas. For example, computer science for IT roles, nursing for healthcare, or engineering degrees. Certifications can boost your profile, like Cisco certifications for networking or digital marketing certificates from Google or HubSpot. Technical skills specific to the role, programming languages, data analytics tools, marketing software, or engineering design tools. Soft skills, communication, teamwork, adaptability, and problem solving are highly valued. Work experience. Internships, part-time jobs, or freelance projects can set you apart. Emerging roles and future trends. Malaysia is also creating jobs in new and exciting areas. Renewable energy experts. With the country pushing green energy, specialists in solar, wind, and energy storage are needed more than ever. Blockchain developers. Blockchain is transforming finance, logistics, and even government services. Remote work facilitators and virtual collaboration experts. The rise of remote work means companies need people who can manage virtual teams and optimize online collaboration tools. How to get started. Here's how you can take your first steps. 1. Pick a sector that excites you. What are you passionate about? What skills do you already have or want to learn? 2. Invest in education and training. Look into universities, online courses, and certifications that are respected in your chosen field. 3. Gain practical experience. Internships, freelance projects, volunteering, or even personal projects help you build a portfolio. 4. Network actively. Use LinkedIn, attend industry events, and join relevant communities online or offline. 5. Keep learning and stay updated. Follow blogs, podcasts, and news related to your field to know what's changing. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at the high-demand jobs in Malaysia right now and how you can prepare yourself for a bright career ahead. The job market is evolving fast, and by focusing on these growing industries, you'll position yourself for success. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more career tips, and share this with your friends who are also planning their futures. Drop a comment below telling me which job or sector interests you the most, and I'll be sure to create more content around it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.